will just briefly take us through the program before we begin formalities proper. Then the traditional welcome. Welcome by our General Manager, Alexander Zubeko, to my left. Official opening by the Honorable Minister Trade.
Prime Minister.
To take time out, and we thank her greatly for programs, and now she is here today, and we thank her again for this blessing of being here today with us.
First of all, I would like to acknowledge the landowners for hosting this event and for having me here in your premises. I truly appreciate this. General Manager and Senior Management Team of British American Tobacco, members of the Mavua, Raiwaqa and Muanivesi communities who have gathered here, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Dolavina, and good morning to you all. It is really a joy for me to be amongst all of you for this special occasion. I'm delighted to be here at Mavua Village to commission the Mavua, Raiwaqa and Muanivesi boreholes, and I sincerely thank the combined efforts of the villagers for their warm welcome, and once again, Vinaka Vakalevu. The commissioning of these 3 boreholes is indeed an auspicious occasion, something you've been waiting for, and for a long time. I can tell you that your waiting days are over, and I applaud you for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, government recognizes the importance of water, and for that reason, Mineral Resource Department is there to assist in identifying the borehole sites and the rest of the technical work that is required. We all understand that one cannot just dig a borehole anywhere. There has to be a source of water. That's where the borehole must be dug. So I also thank Mineral Resource Department for identifying this site, and also thank you all for your cooperation and of course in partnership with British American Tobacco. Without this 3-way partnership, things cannot happen, and through your assistance and by having the right mix of belief and also commitment has led to the towards the development of the borehole. So in this regard, once again, I would like to acknowledge and commend British American Tobacco, Fiji, for this great initiative. I know the company has been assisting and providing financial and non-financial assistance to the people of Fiji, particularly to local communities. And today I've heard from the general manager that some of you also plant tobacco, or somehow or the other you assist in the production line when they produce this packet of cigarettes. Your contribution is also there. It's a whole supply chain. There's a link. So I truly appreciate the fact that British American Tobacco is also looking after its communities, and they have set aside $500,000 as part of their social corporate responsibility. And they have identified a project like Akua project, and Akua Pacific project is definitely very, very relevant for the people of Fiji. We all understand the importance of water, and we all know that not many places have a free flow water as we get in the urban areas. In urban areas, it's just a matter of opening the tap and the water is there. And we take water for granted. Even if the water is cut off for some reason, we don't get water in our tap, you should see the anger on people's face. They'll start making that call and telling the workers at WEF simply saying that why the water is not there in the tap. But I can understand you have been without that service for so long. And that's why I'm saying once again, thank you for your patience. Thank you for that. To commemorate today's event, I know that I'm asked to cut the ribbon at the Mavua Village, while other senior officials from British American Tobacco will also do the same at Raiwaqa and Muanivesi villages later today. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of celebration. These three communities will have a consistent supply of clean water. Water comes from a deep source within the earth past the natural filters. This supply allows your families to drink this water without boiling it, unlike the river catchment used in the past. This project not only installs a borehole into the ground, but also connects its installation structure to a 10,000 liter tank for resilience. This feeds into the village water system to transport clean drinking water to each and every household. Ladies and gentlemen, human survival is dependent on water. Thus, the commissioning of this borehole has a multifaceted benefits. Borehole provides a self-sufficient solution to your water crisis. It is an excellent way to access pure and natural groundwater without having to pay for the water bills. You will now be able to enjoy a better life, as water plays a crucial role in your daily lives, especially for the purpose of drinking, bathing, washing, and cleaning. However, whilst we enjoy these benefits, let's not forget how important rainfall harvesting is to supplement the groundwater. So we also encourage you to engage yourselves in rainfall harvesting. History tells us that human beings have fought over access to water. But for the three villages, I'm pleased to see that this need has been brought to you. This project itself has cost British American Tobacco $90,000, and this will definitely help to meet the requirements of a reliable, sustainable, and improved supply of quality water to these three villages. These areas, I'm told, often struggle during dry season, when there is very limited water available. I was also informed that the commissioning of these three boreholes will benefit more than 500 people, 3 churches and 3 community halls. So that's really wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, as the minister responsible for community development, I acknowledge this partnership with the private sector to address water needs of our communities. At this juncture, I would like to acknowledge the Yavusa, Tubaningui, Tokei Bukusia, and Yavusa Nambuavatu, Tokei Nakuta Drondro, for their continued support. And please forgive me for my pronunciation. I tried very hard in agreeing to drill the boreholes that would provide water to the 3 villages. This partnership and collaboration is a testimony of the greater things that are yet to come for the people of Mavua, Raiwaqa, and Muanivesi. I therefore encourage you all to continue working together in developing your livelihood and community as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, given the investment and the infrastructure provided, I urge you to adhere to the recommended pumping rate and durations to ensure sustainability of this project. I wish to also remind you that failure to comply with this could lead to an unsustainable yield and a possible degradation in water quality. With those words, it gives me great pleasure to officially commission the Mavua, Raiwaqa, and Muanivesi boreholes and wish the communities all the best. And enjoy the water, consistent water supply. Vinaka Vakilevu. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
It's good. Look, just pop. He's really put happens everywhere until we.
Always take a lot of photos with you.
Ni mali.